Want to hear something crazy? Today, just 2% of creatives used in ads consume 68% of ad budgets. Now, why is that an important insight for an app marketer? Hey, I'm Ju from AppsFlyer, and I'm here to talk to you about ad creatives and how AI is changing the game. Let's start at the beginning. That 2% stat I mentioned means it takes 50 variations of a creative to find a winner. Now, if I told you to use AI to help create those variations, you probably wouldn't be surprised. But how do you know which one is winning? Predicting that can be hard, really hard. But thanks to AI, knowing which ad performs best is now possible because of how much data AI can process. To begin, our AI analysed the various layers of 220,000 creative variations across 2,000 apps. Our latest report provides some initial insights to inform your creative strategy and production. Here's a few highlights of what we learned. First, ads featuring UGC work best natively on social media. The authenticity gives UGC ads 12% higher success than non-UGC ads in gaming and 22% higher in non-gaming apps when we look at installs per milli, which indicates how well a creative is able to capture attention to drive an install. However, outside of social media, UGC is not as strong, especially when it comes to gaming. Trade your actors for animated characters and gameplay because those are stronger for gaming ads on non-social networks like ironSource or Unity. However, when we looked at day 30 retention, we saw the trade-off for high IPM can be low retention down the road. This really shows the importance of finding the balance that attracts loyal users efficiently. By the way, our report also breaks down the best scene combos for a variety of channels. Link in the description below. This video has gone on long enough. And speaking of video length, we found that longer videos, think 15 seconds or more, only perform well on social media because extended storytelling is more appreciated there. Now that we've covered some highlights, here are 5 ways to take action and achieve better results from your campaigns. Embrace variety because creative winners come along once every 50 ads. Let AI help you do the heavy lifting with granular analysis to learn what works faster. Remember that all verticals are different. The creative impact will vary, so be realistic with your expectations. With great IPM comes great churn, so be sure to find the balance between installs and retention. And match your creative efforts to the platform they work on. There are plenty of categories at the Ad Creative Awards. And that's it, folks. The last thing you can do is check the description for a link to the full report to gain more insights for your creative strategy. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe for the latest and greatest app marketing strategies. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
We don't have to shoot that another 49 times, do we?